What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. Today, I am going to share with you how I come up with my routes, how do I pick my subdivisions, and what it is that I'm looking for in order to build my clientele. If you're new to the channel, I am just a regular lawn care guy, just like you, trying to take his business from 300,000 to $500,000 this year. I'm sharing my ups and downs and my mistakes, and I'm sharing how you can cut on in this business. So, fam, what I do is I go to the post office, every door direct mailer, and what I'm looking for is condensed areas where I know there's a large group of homes put together. As you can see, I am scrolling through and I'm looking for, like in this case, you can see that this community has over 748 clients. Also, I'm looking to see the normal income for that area. So if you look at it, I'm looking at it to be somewhere around 50,000 because I know someone who makes $50,000, a lot of times they are what we consider not they're what you call it? They have a contract or something like that. They're not a person who's normally just get paid check to check. They have some form of career once you start making $50,000. Or it's two people in the household that actually makes a combined amount of $50,000. So also what I do is I'll search inside, I'll search the zip code, and I'll just take my cursor and I'll just, look for certain areas, and what it'll do is it'll change. You can see where the income up at the top change. Now what I'm not trying to do is find areas where there's a whole bunch of driving. I'm really looking for a condensed area. As you can see right here, I'm searching around, trying to find an area that's suitable, and here's one right here. If it's highlighted and all of it's highlighted, it's too many subdivisions. This is too many subdivisions. Let me see if I can find one more condensed. All right, so I'm in this subdivision right here. As you can see, it's 595 homes in that area, and the income is somewhere around $74,000. So this is a good chance that these people are not cutting their own grass. So this is something that I do for myself. I'll put a zip code in, like I said, and I'll just search around looking for the right subdivision. So hopefully, fam, this is something that you can do. It's real simple to do. Like I said, go onto the postcard. Matter of fact, you want to put every door direct mailer, post office, and you can look this up. Also, another way of doing it, fam, is put your address in, and then you can put a radius around your property where you're coming from, and then you can hover over those areas. And when you see a large group of numbers in a small area, that's a good subdivision. Pay attention to the amount of the income. Pay attention to that, and I guarantee you, man, for me, I would say if I put out 700 flyers, which I have easily, I wind up getting somewhere around, this year I had like 18 in the subdivision. So this is something that can be done, and this helps build route density too. Just focusing on an area where you know that income is there, and you're not just randomly going putting stuff on houses and they really don't have that income to actually do the bi-weekly services that you're looking for. One thing I would never do, never think you're gonna get someone simply because their yard needs cutting. That typically doesn't work. What you want is someone who actually uses the services, and if someone's cutting their yard, you want to put a flyer there. Not because you want to take their business, because maybe their lawnmower break down, maybe they'll go out of business, maybe they owe, and I've had that happen several times. So hopefully this information is good. And another way of doing it too, use Google Earth. Google Earth is another way of actually showing the that subdivision. You get to see how close those houses are together, and hope this helps. So cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.